Hi, welcome to the course. I'm Dr. Germán Gómez and I'm in Valencia, Spain. This course is directed to dentists or even physicians or the staff of the office and everybody who wants to improve their sales skills. Without sales, there is no income in the office. You cannot pay your staff, you cannot pay the rent, you cannot pay the equipment, you cannot get your salary. Okay? So, you need to be trained in selling. You might think, well, I'm a dentist, I don't need to sell. My quality sells for me. Yeah, that's not true, because your competitors are starting to sell and they have sales skills. And the more competitors are in the market, the more sales skills are important. Because maybe many years ago, every treatment was sold immediately without any effort. Nowadays, we need more effort. And you have to be equipped with the skills. And these skills are not given to you in dental school. They're given to you with courses like this. Or you have an ability by yourself and you develop these skills through time. So this is what we did, and I'm condensing all that knowledge for you in this course. So we will talk about setting the basis, so why marketing and sales are so important, the difference between marketing and sales. Don't mix up these two things, okay? The importance of selling, why selling is so difficult for most dentists. If you are aware of the difficulties, then you can start to sell much better. Then we need to have some basis of communication. Patient communication and case presentation is a completely other course. But for selling, you need some basics of communication. So we will talk about that also. And what language to use for patients. Change your language. And then the buying habits of the patient. Understand the buying habits and cater to these buying habits. And then what you have to avoid, the don'ts. We will talk about 5 mistakes dentists make when they try to sell their treatments and what to avoid in sales. After that, we will talk about the selling process, okay? Why asking questions is so important. A small method to sell your treatments, the 4P method, and some steps of how to improve your sales process. And then we come to objections. Big chapter, okay? You first know how to handle your objections, a simple idea on how to handle objections, and then the most common objections and how to handle them. After that, it's all about the close, okay? Start closing, don't sell. You don't have to try to sell, just close, okay? What preconditions are there for a good close? The 10 most used closing techniques. If you have a toolkit of closing techniques, you can pick one or two of them and close the patient. You can, of these 10 closing techniques that I'm giving you, you can choose 2 or 3 that suit best your personality and just use them over and over again, okay? Then understand the closing sequence, the closing process, and what keywords to use in closing. And after that, some quick and extra ideas for you, how to gift wrap your value, put your value over the price, and how to upsell a patient, upselling strategy, and what to do with an indecisive patient, how to handle him. I hope you enjoy this course and you get a lot of ideas, interesting ideas, and you improve your sales skills and your sales in overall.